Welcome to this tutorial on how to obtain your MetaTrader 5 login details. First, you'll need to have a trading account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5. If you haven't chosen a broker yet, research options that best meet your trading needs and sign up for an account with them. Once you have an account, log into the broker's website using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the section of the website dedicated to MetaTrader 5. This section typically provides options for downloading the platform and managing your account settings. Here, you should find your MetaTrader 5 login details, including your account number and password. If your broker requires you to set up a trading password specifically for MetaTrader 5, make sure to follow their instructions to create one. After obtaining your login information, download and install the MetaTrader 5 platform on your device. Open the platform and enter the login details you just gathered, including the server information provided by your broker. Once you have logged in successfully, you will have access to all the features of MetaTrader 5, including various trading tools, charts, and indicators. Remember to keep your login details secure, and if you have any issues, reach out to your broker's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial.